Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling what matters. Thread, a 3/4 cm cardboard circle, beads, cotton, and glue. Once gathered, cut the circle and punch a center hole so the thread can anchor. Tie a 20-25 cm length of thread, pull it through the hole, and fix with a tight knot. This stabilizes your Rakhi core. Make sure to leave equal tail lengths for tying. You're now ready to build decorative layers directly onto that secured base. Once the base is secure, wrap cotton or silk thread around the cardboard circle about 10-12 times to create a soft, even pad. This hides the hole and adds volume. Next, thread beads and sequins in an alternating pattern onto a short needle or fine wire and stitch or glue them around the pad. This creates visual rhythm. Then apply a thin layer of clear glue over the decorations to lock them. Press gently and let set so everything sits flush and durable. To finish, trim any exposed cardboard and smooth edges with fine sandpaper or tape so the Rakhi feels comfortable. Attach the two-tail threads by knotting them tightly under the core, adding extra knots for strength. If synthetic thread frays, briefly melt ends to prevent unraveling. Once tied, test the fit around a wrist. If beads loosen later, reapply glue and clamp the piece for 10-15 minutes to cure. This final care ensures a neat, lasting homework Rakhi.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.